Hello guys, welcome to the video for today. Today we're gonna play Cab in Cruise Simulator. We're gonna try the unconscious pilot emergency for today. We've already started the business class boarding and everything. We're just gonna set this up. Why is it not working? Finally! There should be an attendant here welcoming. Two attendants. Here's your ginger ale BTW. Sprite. Okay. We should have to take out the trash in a moment. Yeah. You're basically. And then you're gonna have to store that up. Now you do that. You can fasten your seatbelt, please.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Put your seat upright. Store your
Welcome
tray.
aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight.
There
Thanks
should
for
be
flying
on
with us,
time,
and
yes.
once again, welcome aboard.
I wonder if there's a vlogger on board today's flight. Okay, so let's start the safety.
Now we request that you attention to flight assistance demonstrating the safety features aboard this aircraft. The seatbelts are known to connect as fast as the seatbelt.
Okay.
Set the metal twitching one end to the other, tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. To release the seatbelt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. We
Okay.
suggest that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight as you may experience turbulence. There are
Alright.
several emergency exits on this aircraft. Please click the key on the
This kid is a little vlogger. Goes playing cabin cruise simulator. Alright, can you just do that? I think this is their mom and then that's the kid. The kid is a little YouTuber girl. I think this is the mom and then this is the kid, which is the YouTuber. Very nice, very nice.
You are traveling with a child or someone who requires assistance. Secure your mask on the phone and listen to the other person. Keep your mask on until you
Do this, do that.
In the event of an emergency,
Please assume the bracing position.
Lean forward with your hands on top of your head and your elbows against your thighs, so your feet are flat on the floor. A life vest is located in the pouch of the seat or between the armrests. When instructed to do so, open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it over your head, pass the straps around your waist and adjust the front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord, only when leaving the aircraft.
Only when
If you need to inflate the vest, blow into the mouthpieces. The whistle might to attract attention is required. Also, bottom cushions
all of our headbands
Please
not
right.
closed.
Cushions on the
Was that the last one?
arm
Let
into
me.
the straps and hug the cushions tightly towards your chest.
Galley
At
has
this
not
time,
been
portable
prepared.
electronic devices
Slow
must be taken
attendance.
to announcements made upon arrival. You will find this and all the other safety
They're
information
probably lazy, that's why.
advantage you. You should always suggest to use before taking off. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask one of our crew members. Wish you an enjoyable
Let's put
flight.
this there. Just have to prepare the galley and then close all of the overhead bins and then that's it. Okay, I can't close this because the game is lagging or something. I'm pretty sure those were all of it. As you can see, new business materials, very comfy, very, very super duper comfy. Enough of that for now. I think, yeah, that's all. We will be taking off momentarily. yeah, momentarily we're gonna take off. We just have to play the boring waiting game, unfortunately. I don't have like an application or like an app to edit this video, so I can't really cut out the part. I can only cut it out from end to start, which will ruin the video. So I need an editing app if I want to cut out this part to make it good, but I can't. So you guys are also gonna have to just play the waiting game here with me. This is gonna take a while. Just take off already, bro. If the taxiway is too long, just assume it's the runway, bro.
Flight attendants, please be seated for
No, I'm
takeoff.
just kidding. Don't do that. You're gonna crash the whole plane, kill all of the passengers, and do yourself. So that was just a joke. Don't do that ever. If you're a pilot watching this video. Oh, somebody said something. Dear passenger, we will now be serving you food and drink. That's what they said in the chat. You can see. See the place tap to go to chat above it. Bumblebee caramel. Yeah. Okay, we have reached our cruising altitude and it's raining. Never mind, it is not anymore. I basically brought all of the flight attendants so we can speed up the process.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Okay. Let's do this. Do that. Those are grapes, by the way.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain from the flight deck. It looks like we're going to experience some light turbulence for the next couple of minutes. At this time, please ensure your seatbelt is safely fastened. Thank you.
Alright. Alright. Here is the pasta. Okay. Hot chocolate for you, ma'am. Alright. We're just gonna try to make this good. I will have to cut out a few parts. I'm just kidding. I can't. Like I said, I don't have an application to do this, so no. I need an app to do it. Okay. Alright. Alright. Enjoy your Sprite. This should be done as quick as possible. Okay, let's shake this off. Shake this night off, bro. I see a plane off right in the distance. My eyes feel refreshed having it like this. Alright. Okay.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and we'll be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us and we hope to see you again soon.
Alright. So this video is not too long, but yeah. So we're gonna finish off the flight here soon. We just need to pick up all of their trash and then that's all for the flight. Oh, I think they're enjoying it because they're late. What happened to them? I don't know. What's happened to them because their screen is shattered. Bro, there has for real, right? Still has. Alright, something bad happened in the cockpit. Okay. Right. Alright, I'll do that. That was butter. That was butter and soft, I would say. I don't know about you. Let me know if that was a good landing in the comment section, guys. I will check the comment section later when I'm online on my channel. Okay, here we are. Skip the taxi. We have arrived at Dubai. That was a good landing. Right. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and goodbye.